Hi, I'm Eric Clymer, Staff Product Manager at Platform here at Timescale. Welcome to a multi-part series on replicas. This series is primarily focused on high availability replicas, though we will touch on read replicas some as well. Let's jump right in. Timescale offers two types of replicas, high availability or HA replicas and read replicas. High availability replicas significantly reduce the risk of downtime and data loss due to system failure and enable services to avoid downtime during routine maintenance. HA replicas are exact, up-to-date copies of your database hosted in multiple AWS availability zones within the same region as your primary node. They automatically take over operations if the original primary data node becomes unavailable. The primary node stream writes its write-ahead log to the replicas to minimize the chances of data loss during failover. Read replicas power your read-intensive apps and business intelligence tooling. Using read replicas to serve reads for your read app removes load from the primary database instance and enables your service to improve your ingest performance. This is particularly useful when read traffic is very spiky and risks impacting ingest performance, or where reads have a lower priority than writes. Last point here, you can also perform reads off of an HA replica configuration, and we'll get more into that in a later video. Now, let's talk about methods of replication. Asynchronous replication is when the HA can receive the next write from the primary without confirming to the primary that the current system write is complete. The async HA will often have a lag in both time and data behind the primary. This is entirely expected behavior and generally has no impact on the customer. This is preferable for customers that want the fastest primary database ingestion time available. Synchronous replication takes a stream of writes from the primary. The primary will only commit its next write once the HA confirms the current transaction successfully applied. There's no lag in between the primary and the sync replica, as they have to both be in the same state at all times by definition. This is preferable for customers that need the highest level of data integrity. In other words, two identical databases, the primary and the sync replica. Primary database ingestion will suffer slightly in the setup, but just marginally. We have a blog post on that if you want further information. In the next video, we'll talk through implementing replicas with Timescale Cloud. Thanks for listening to part 1.